Okay, so this is the water filter, and when it's once a week, you should clear it out. So you take off this flower thing, and then you take off the silver basin. And then this is the filter part, and it needs to be rinsed. Now this one's new, so a new one will look like this. And I'm replacing it because the old one looked like this, which obviously is not good anymore. So this lasts about 1 month, but you can change it sooner if you think it needs to be. So there's two sides, the plasticky side and the foamy side, and the foamy side goes up. But the next step is you take out this, and then you need to rinse all of these bits and pieces. I've already rinsed them, so you can't really tell that it got a bit dusty. Yeah, rinse them all off, and then also rinse out the basin. Clean it out, make sure there's no dust in there. That thing doesn't need to be removed. And then the next step is you need to try to put it back together. Oh, and you also need to rinse this. So sometimes you'll see some dust or some fur gets on there, so you just rinse that off. Rinse both sides. Let it drain a little bit. Then you can refill it with some water. And here, this is the gauge. You can fill it up quite a lot. Okay, that's probably enough. And then it's just a matter of putting that together. The first part is this, and you'll see a little curve, and that goes here. And that little thing hooks in. Oops. Yeah, should fit on like that. And then the next part is to put, oops. And the next part is this. Goes in with the foamy side up. And then make sure that little hole goes in the same place. And then the flower goes on top like that. Then just lift it up. And put it back down here. Plug it in. Sorry about that. And then it should be like this with the water coming out. And yeah, that's about enough flow. You could fill it up a little bit more. You see it has the gauge there, but I think it's enough. And Charlie's gotten used to it by now. He seems to like it. He didn't like it at first, but now he's quite happy to drink from it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.